Nau mai ki whakamiere. Nau mai ki whakamiere. Welcome to Whakamiere, our podcast where we share reo Māori translations of stories. It seems like we're celebrating a lot in recent weeks. We've had our first birthday, we're celebrating Mahuru Māori, and 50 years of Te Wiki o Te Reo Māori. So let's keep the celebrations going. We're giving away some bonuses, so have a listen at the end of today's episode for more details. Today's Paki Poto is Te Kaiwhānako me Tōna Whaea. There are two kupu hou in our kōrero. The first is nukarautia, and it means to be deceived. Anei te tauira. Kaua e whakarongo ki aia, kei nukarautia koe. Don't listen to him or you'll be deceived. Our second kupu is karawhiunga, and it means punishment. Eri marau tāra te karawhiunga ki te nanakia. The scoundrel received a $500 punishment. Ka are mai ngā taringa, listen out for these kupu hou in the kōrero. Kia hāna nā hoki te noho, whakarongo mai e hoa mā. Te Kaiwhānako me Tōna Whaea, nā Aesop. I whānako hia e tētahi tama iti i tōna haerenga ki te kura. Tētahi o ngā pukapuka, a o ngā pia, katari atu ai ki te kāinga. Te paku whakatikaina ia e tōna whaea. Ka tīkina kē ia te puka nei, ka hokona atu ai. Ā, ka hoatu ki aia, tētahi āporo hei utu. Taro ake te wā, ka huri te tama hei Kaiwhānako. Nā wai, ka whakawāngia ia, ā, ko te hemonga te karawhiunga. Ka heria ia ki te tārore, he huihui ngā tāngata kei ōna rekereke. Ka mutu, ko tōna whaea, tētahi o te hunga, e hotu ana. I te kitenga i aia, ka nonoi ia ki ngā āpiha kia tukuna ia kia mihi atu ki aia. Nā, ka whakaetia tēnei. Ka toro atu ia ki tōna whaea, ka meinga tōna ringa ki tōna kaki. Ā, āno ia ka kōhimuhimu atu, ka ngaua kētia tōna taringa. Ka kotahi te tirohanga atu a te marea i te kaha o te hotu. Me te aha, ka kino te riri, he pēnei no tāna āpiti i te taikaha ki āna taihara. E kāo e hoa mā, tāna kupu atu. Kei nukarautia koutou, ko taku whānakotanga tuatahitanga ko te pukapuka, te hoatu ai ki tōku whaea. Mēnā ia i wepu ia hau, mahue kē mai ana ki te mihi. Kua kore au e tai mai ki te tārore i tōku tānetanga. Ko te kiko o te kōrero, he hua tātou o ngā akoranga i ngā rā o maro mahue. The Thief and His Mother by Aesop. A little boy who went to school stole one of his schoolfellow's books and took it home. His mother, so far from correcting him, took the book and sold it, and gave him an apple for his pains. In the course of time, the boy became a thief, and at last was tried for his life and condemned. He was led to the gallows, a great crowd of people following, and among them his mother, weeping bitterly. Seeing her, he prayed the officers to grant him the favour of a few parting words with her, and his request was freely granted. He went to his mother, put his arm around her neck, and making as though he would whisper something in her ear, bit it off. Her cry of pain drew everybody's eyes upon them, and great was the indignation that at such a time he should add another violence to his list of crimes. "Nay, good people," said he, "do not be deceived. My first theft was of a book, which I gave to my mother. Had she whipped me for it instead of praising me, I should not have come to the gallows now that I am a man." The moral being, we are made by our teachings in youth. Tēnā rā wātu koe I tāu whakarongo mai ki whakamiere. Thank you so much for listening to Whakamiere. As mentioned at the top of today's episode, in celebration of Te Wiki o Te Reo Māori, me Mahuru Māori, we've got some bonuses to give away. From now until the end of September, which is beyond Mahuru Māori, you can get 50% off Patreon access by using the code MAHURU50 when you sign up. That's MAHURU50. Even better, if you're a kaimahi in Kura, Kohanga Reo, Puna Reo, or schools in Aotearoa, we're giving you free access. Kaimahi can now get early access to every episode of Whakamiere, PDFs of every Paki Poto, access to a supportive Reo Māori community, limited edition merchandise, as well as complete access to the back catalogue of content to date, which is more than 100 episodes. Just email whakamiere@gmail.com from your staff email address and we'll send you a Patreon link. A big mihi goes out to our Patreon supporters without whom this podcast could not be ad-free. If you've enjoyed what you've been listening to and want to show your tautoko in a non-pūtea way, please consider leaving a like and a review on your podcast app. It makes a massive difference. If you have friends in whānau who would like our kaupapa, please share it with them as well. You can also follow us on Instagram. Ko Taurapa e mihi nui ana, hei a kua nei e hoa mā.